Welcome back to Learning with the Difference, news headlines in English for 24th June. And first of all, national news. Health Minister to chair crucial meet over rising COVID-19 cases in India. 10 dead, 7 injured as vehicle carrying pilgrims falls into ditch in UP. Don't want Uddhav Thackeray to quit. Rebel SENA MLA says must ally with BJP. 1,934 new COVID cases in Delhi, double the number of cases on Wednesday. Floor test will decide WHO has majority, SHARAD PAWAR on SENA crisis. On turning 60, Gautam Adani pledges $7.7 billion for social causes. 2,479 new COVID cases in Mumbai on Thursday, 50% higher than Wednesday. The state reported 5,280 new cases on Thursday. Now some international news. Japan city contractor on night out loses pen drive with 4.6 lakh residents' data. Americans have right to carry guns in public, US Supreme Court. Vladimir Putin called on the leaders of BRICS to cooperate in the face of selfish actions from West. Nike said Thursday it will be permanently leaving the Russian market. Truck driver died after waiting for 5 days in queue at LANKA fuel station. Over 150 heritage sites destroyed by Russia in Ukraine. On camera, bulldozer crushed nearly 100 destructive and dangerous bikes in New York. And now some sports news. RANJI Trophy final Centurion SARFARAZ Khan celebrated century in SIDHU MOOSEWALA style, dedicated tone to singer. Ravichandran Ashwin recovered from COVID-19, joined Team India ahead of Leicestershire warm-up game. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.